how to fix Valorant error. Please restart your client isn't quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, right click here and then open task manager. After that, just scroll down until you find Valorant or Riot Games icon, and if you find it, just close it. Let's say that this is Valorant, click in task, and that's it. Just close all Valorant or Riot Games processes, and let's move to the next step. Type here services, and now scroll down until you find VGC, and right click on it and then click properties. You will find it like that. All you need to do, click here, select automatic, and then click start and make sure it's running and apply, and then OK. You can click start from this one here. You will find here start, and after that just restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.